Bitcoin's ride to new all-time highs had a sudden twist. All of a sudden, this sharp price decline and its link to the Chinese power outage raised many questions. Why and how is this decentralized global currency or the new digital gold linked to China's power outage as such? Also, Bitcoin is compared to gold many times due to its similarity in its scarcity and hence inflation resistance. Assume that a gold mine gets shut due to some power outage or equipment malfunction. Will it affect the price of gold in the market or jewelry adversely? Not really. In fact, the direct opposite could happen as supply is going down. Then, why is it that Bitcoin price crashed due to some power outage in China? Isn't it the digital gold? To understand what happened here, we need to understand basic Bitcoin fundamentals such as role of miners in network stability, consensus or proof of work difficulty, etc. With the power outage in China, following things happened in the Bitcoin network which disturbed the confidence in the network. First, considerable number of miners disappeared from the network because of the power outage. A rough estimate of Bitcoin miner concentration in China is around 75%. Here, even though network continues to run with lesser number of miners, the relative stability of the network goes down, as it's easier to attack the network and hence question its immutability. Second, with miners going out, hash rate of the network goes down. Here, the hash difficulty of the network remains unchanged and hence the block creation time goes high, which means that the transaction confirmation takes longer. Even though chances of a practical damage in the above scenario is limited, it wrecks the confidence in the network and hence Bitcoin. Now coming back to Bitcoin's similarity to gold, there is a significant difference between gold and Bitcoin that you need to understand. Gold once mined has a sovereign, physical existence of its own. Its value is not dependent on the gold mines or its origin, but is based on the demand-supply equation. Whereas in case of Bitcoin, the coin exists solely in the context of its network of computers. So, if anything adverse happens to the network, it affects the existing Bitcoins and its value, as we saw in this recent event. This event also raises serious questions on the claim of Bitcoin to be a global digital currency that can survive without any government support, and also the undue power China has over its network. Can China use its strong mining presence to its advantage against the rest of the world? It's a wait and watch.